Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to complete an assignment, exams, you and complete courses, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email in this description video. In the description of this video. So if you want to complete my lab courses like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, you can contact with me for A plus grade. So we can do all online courses like math, state, accounting, economics, finance, and computer sciences, and many other online courses. My grade guaranteed between 90% to 100% plus marks. So let's start an assignment. Assignment name is EXP25 Excel Chapter 4 ML River Wood Reality Instructions. Alright. This is a video description. Click the size. Correct. Read the video description. Project description. You work as a real estate agent of Riverwood Realty and an independent real estate agency in York. As part of your end of your year reports, you are compile a list of homes that have sold in your sales region. To complete your report, you will create an Excel tab, apply filters, sort, perform basic calculation using unqualified structure reference, and prepare the documents. The print. So highlighted things to be done in this video. So we move to the project steps. So total steps of this assignment is 13. So we move to the step number 1. Increase the size of step number 1 and also color it. Step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named exp25 Excel chapter 4 ml2 homes. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So start Excel and download and open the file name. I have already downloaded this file. So step number 1 has also done. So we move to the step number 2. Step number 2 is increase the size, color it. Size number 2 is freeze the pens so that the column labeled do not scroll often screen. Freeze the pens in the review tab of the Excel sheet. View tab of the Excel sheet. Go to the freeze pens and go to the freeze top row. Click on freeze top row. So top row freeze. So step number 2 has also done. So we move to the step number 3. Increase the size of step number 3 and also color it. So step number 3 is convert the data to a table and name the table cells. So there are 2 levels of the step. Level 1 of the step is convert the data to the table. Bold it's level 1 of the this step. So go to the Excel file and go to the insert tab of Excel sheet and go to the table, click on table and also click on OK. So table is created. So move to the second next level of the step. Next level of the step is name the table sales. So copy the name, go to the table name tabs, paste the name and click on enter. Click on enter. So step number 3 is also done. So we move to the step number 4. Step number 4 is step number 4 is apply purple table style dark tan to the table. So go to the Excel sheet and go to the table design and also go to the table style and apply purple table style dark tan. Go to the table styles, go to the dark and dark purple table style dark 5. Yes, this is purple table style dark 10. So click on this and step number 4 has also done. Step number 4 has also done. Color it purple dark 10, color apply. So step number 4 is completed. So move to the step number 5. Increase the size of step number 5 and color it. So step number 5 is remove the duplicates records from the table. Excel should find and remove 8 duplicate records. Remove duplicates. So this is a one level of this step. So go to the Excel file and go to the data tab and remove the duplicates. Select all, click on OK. So this is information. Excel should find and remove 8 duplicate records. 8 duplicates were found and removed. So click on OK and move to the next step. Step number 5 has also done. So we move to the step number 6. So first increase the size and color it. So step number 6 is add a new column in column I named days on market. Use unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on market. Sale data, manage listing date, sales list, sale date, manage listing date in column I. Set column I width to 14. Note make user click. So first level of this step is add a new column in column I. Name days on market. So copy the name days on market. Go to the Excel file and click on I tab and go to the paste the name. So table is generated, column is generated. So add a new column. In column I need days on market. Use unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on market. Sale data listing data in column I said. So next level of the step, use unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on market. Sale date minus listing date. This is a formula in column I. So go to the column I and click on this and button. So formula is sale date minus listing date. So go to the Excel file and click sale date minus listing date and click on enter. So values created. So go to the next level of the step. The next level of the step is set column width to 14. Set column width to 14. This is the last level of the step. So go to the Excel sheet and select the column I and go click right click and go to the column width. So column width 14, click on OK. So this step has done. So this step has also done. So we move to the step number 7. Step number 7, increase the size of step number 7 and also color it. So step number 7, apply a total row to the sale table. Set the selling price and days on market sale to the average. So first level of the step is apply a total row in the sale table. First level of the step is apply a total row to the sale table. So go to the Excel file and go to the table design, click on total row. So total row is created. So move to the super level created. So total row to the sale table apply. So go to the next level of the step. Next level of the step is set the selling price and days on market to average. So go to the first level to average, highlight this. So next level of this is set the selling price and days on market totals to average. So move to the Excel file, go to the selling price, go to the selling price. This is selling price tab. Click on this and click on this icon and click on average. This level of this step is also done. So we move to the next level. Next level is days on market total to the average. Days days on market totals to average. So we move to the Excel file and days on market, click on this and click on apply average. So this is has also done. I have done 70% steps in this assignment, because in this assignment total steps of this assignment was 13. So we have also done almost done 7 steps. So you want to get a complete solution of this assignment, so you can contact on my WhatsApp, and links and emails, my WhatsApp links and emails in this video description. So I will do this steps in 20 minutes, and I will give you a plus grade in this video, in this assignment. Even I will do my lab courses like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. So we can do all online courses like math, stat, accounting, finance, computer science, Python, JavaScript, MS Projected, and many online courses. So you can contact me for complete courses, for exams, for quizzes, for assignments on my WhatsApp link, direct link, and email. So my WhatsApp links and emails in the description of this video, in this description of this video. So you can make a deal for A plus grades in assignments, in your assignments, exams, and daily basis quizzes. So thank you.